I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Action. Good morning, DHS. It's Monday. Students, if you want a new calendar for the spring, go 235 first floor office, or for your organizing and stuff. Parents and students, tonight there's a meeting in the auditorium room at 5:30 to 6:30 for your schedule. Tomorrow counselors will host a coffee and concessions for 8 to 10 a.m. in the first floor office. The art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and other things like that for a recycling fundraiser until February. Turn them in. Room 115. Anyone waiting to try out for baseball, go see Coach Maddox, 305. Prom money for seniors and juniors is due no later than Friday, March 30th for prom. Saturday, April 28th. It's at Texas Motor Speedway. That's where prom is. Anyone interested for driver's ed, go see Coach Reeves in the field house. Attention DHS seniors who plan to attend a 4-year university. If you're interested in applying applying for ADVID's Be the Change scholarships, pick up an application in Miss Russell's room 225. And now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura like I got neon dots.
Softball scrimmage here against Denton Ryan. JV plays at 5, varsity plays at 7. God and support.
Now for Coach Parks, 2 cents.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, today's thought comes from Lou Holtz, and he said, adversity is another way to measure the greatness in an individual. He said he never had a crisis that didn't make him stronger. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Now, the question of the week. Question of the week is, who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl, and what is the score going to be? Put it in the suggestion box outside. Have a great day.